everyone, welcome to my channel Vanila. I'm Vanila and I welcome you to watch this video and my other videos too. So I've got new outfit. This is a blue bra with lace, and I've got a pair of white knickers. Which are simple, but I hope they are cute for you.
Hello, honey. Are you listening? Tell me, are you really listening? Okay. You want to know the dress code? We don't have a dress code. You just gotta let go. And embrace yourself. Okay.
I hope you like my music as well as my bra, as well as my everyday wear knickers, which are comfortable. They are made of cotton and a little bit of elastane. Very breathable.
And embrace yourself.
Do you like my outfit?
Okay, of course. Yes.
Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking my videos, and see you soon in the next one. Love you.